Samantala, anting pamagsadya karing industrial at business district king Central Luzon para king meetings, incentive, travel conventions, and exhibitions o MICE Conference 2024, metong a formal agreement kapamilatan ning Memorandum of Understanding o MOU ing libanan ning Department of Tourism o DOT kambering mialiwang sectoral partner. Merapat ing MOU signing king Clark Freeport Zone inyang milabas sa Sabado, May 11. Kaya be kareng migpirma ing Clark Development Corporation, Luzon International Premier Airport Development Corporation, Clark International Airport Corporation, Bureau of Customs Port of Clark, Philippine National Police, Aviation Security Unit 3, Department of the Interior and Local Government Region 3. Kaya be mo naman yung Commission on Higher Education Region 3 at ang Department of Education Region 3. Nasa nanini incorporating Filipino Brand of Service Excellence o FBSE, karing operasyon na ning hospitality industry at maging holistic brand para king Pilipinas. Sa sadyane mo naman ning mesabing MOU signing in Clark, anting host na ning MICE Conference 2024, marapat po king July 10 hanggang July 12. Asang libu-libong delegate laring datang, king mesabing kaganapan, inya pasik nangan danalaring tourism frontliner, king pa mag-welcome at pa mag-handle karing guest. Ing MICECon, ing pekamaragul na pamitipon, kareng meeting, incentive, travel convention at exhibitions, professional king bangsa. Metong yang tatalangang event ini, paulining pa magpasikana kareng hanggang sektor, akayabe king MICE industry, kapamilatan ning educational program. Samantala, as of May 10, 2024, at sula po king 5,500 ding tourism frontliners king DOT Central Luzon. 2,152 kareni ring accommodation sector, 1,506 king academe, at 1,204 karing local government units.